Hello my friends, in this new quick video I am showing you an industrial video camera. Here is the testing ground. The camera is looking at the video played on the monitor to the left, and its output is fed to the AI processing software running on a Windows desktop computer with an RTX 3060 graphics card. Let's check some results now. On the right side of the screen, a Modbus TCP server simulator is running. It counts each time a cucumber crosses the vertical line in the middle of the frame, and its register number 6 gets updated with an area of the cucumber crossing the line. Each cucumber detected in the image is masked with a blue color. The tracking ID is displayed in white in the middle of the cucumber, and below it there is an area of the mask in pixels shown in yellow color.